Have you ever wondered why short-form videos are getting so much attention lately? In this video, I'm going to share with you my tips on how to leverage the power of short-form videos and turn your viewers into clients. You might be wondering, why should I use short-form videos? Short-form videos get more attention, tend to perform better on social media platforms, and can become viral faster. People are more likely to engage when they consume concise and short videos that provide value in less than 1 minute. Whether you want to spread awareness about your product or service, generate leads, or boost your click-through rate with your video, make sure that you craft your message because you have 60 seconds or less to make people trust you and want buy from you. Okay, now let's dive deep into what makes short videos so engaging and how you can use them on social media platforms to sell your offer. Step number 1. Start with a hook. The first few seconds of the video are crucial. This is your time to capture the attention of your audience and to make them curious about what you have to say. A good idea would be to start your video with a question, interesting fact, statistic, or just something that's going to provoke the curiosity of your audience. Do you remember how I started this video with a question? Have you ever wondered why short-form videos are becoming so much popular nowadays? Just make sure that the hook you use is in line with the title of the video as well as the overall concept of the video so that people are watching exactly what they were promised to watch. Step number 2. Educate your audience. People don't like to be pushed to purchase products or services, especially when they don't believe that they need these products or services. Instead, try to identify the problem and show them how your solution is going to solve their problem. Everything you sell must solve a problem. For example, with your video, try to answer the following questions. How is your product or service going to help people cut their costs, improve their productivity, deliver greater results, improve accuracy? Come up with at least 3 benefits and make them the core of your value proposition. And don't be vague about it. Show people that you're not only making promises, but you're delivering results. Step number 3. Social proof. Just for a moment, step inside your audience's shoes. They've just been introduced to your great product or service, but they still haven't made up their mind if they want to purchase it. Usually this happens because people don't believe that this product or service is going to work for them. And this is where social proof comes in place. Social proof includes testimonials, reviews, endorsements, case studies that prove that your solution works for other people who have the very same problem as your undecisive prospect. Step number 4. Include a call to action. The last few seconds of the video are just as important as the first few seconds of the video. Make sure that you leave your audience with a clear and strong CTA about what they have to do as a next step. Give people a direction. You can't expect that people will know what they have to do. For example, you can point them to your website, provide them with an avenue to schedule a call with you or download your freebie. Whatever it is, just make sure to include a CTA because this is a very powerful way to make your video stand out. So there you have it, guys. These were the 4 elements you need to create engaging, short-form videos that will help you to turn your viewers into clients. So now let's summarize the 4 steps. Start with a hook, educate your audience, include social proof, add a call to action. And before you leave, I have a question for you. What problem does your business solve? Share with me in the comments below. I will be really curious to know. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you will consider the idea of including short-form videos in your marketing strategies. See you next time, guys. Until then, have a good one. Bye!